Hotel na walking distance lang sa Okada, Manila at 10 minutes drive papuntang NAIA Terminal 3 for only 3,500 pesos plus per night with breakfast buffet na. Saan nga ba to? I got you. Hi mga ka-travels, looking for a budget-friendly hotel na perfect for families, couples, barkada, or even solo traveler na super lapit sa airport? Eto na yon. Welcome to Kingsford Hotel Manila here in Entertainment City, Parañaque. Nag-check-in kami dito for one night. Pagdating namin, medyo maraming guests so pumila kami around 10 minutes for check-in, which is reasonable naman. Before ka pumasok ng hotel, may scanner machine for your bags for added security. First impression, ang ganda ng lobby, spacious, modern, and super linis. Very accommodating and mababait din ang mga staff. Uunahan ko na kayo, walang kids playroom dito, so manage your expectation mga mamis. Now, punta naman tayo sa room. We book a superior twin room with 2 single beds. Comfy yung beds, malinis ang room, though medyo compact siya at around 26 square meter. But honestly, comfortable pa rin for a short stay. Ito mga inclusions ng room, malakas na wifi, cable TV, complimentary water, may refill station sa labas lang, complimentary coffee, mini ref and kettle, hangers and safety deposit box, sleepers, small cabinet and body mirror. Sa bathroom, simple but clean, complete toiletries, towels, and may hot and cold shower. Punta naman tayo sa swimming pool area, located on 6th floor. May adult and kids pool. Hindi nga lang heated pero okay naman, especially pag hindi sobrang lamig ng weather. May free use of towels na rin. Mas maganda mag-swimming dito sa gabi kasi may relaxing vibes plus may view ka pa ng Okada lights. Meron din silang free sauna for guests. Yes, included na. Perfect pang distress. And if gusto mo mag-chill, may frost by the pool bar din sa gilid ng pool. Perfect for hangout with friends. May gym din na kompleto ang equipment and free gamitin for all check-in guests. Now let's talk about the breakfast buffet. Serve at Kingsford Cafe and Restaurant located sa side lang ng lobby. Breakfast time is from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Heads up, medyo mahaba ang pila during weekends. So if ayaw mo pumila, wake up early. Maraming food choices and masarap talaga. If you're bacon lover and lechon kawali lover, promise hindi ka mauubusan. Location wise, panalo talaga. Walking distance to Okada, Manila, around 10 minutes drive to NAIA Terminal 3. Malapit din sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, near Soleil Resort, and katabi lang din ng Grand Westside Hotel. So if you're planning staycation near MOA, Okada, or City of Dreams, this is perfect option. Perfect for couples, barkada, or even family staycation. Accessible, maganda, sulit for the price. Save this for your next staycation. You can book via Klook and use my promo code KlookChefFamily to get 5% discount for new users and 3 discount naman for existing users. Thank you for watching. Please follow us for more gala tips. Bye!